area. And we must be thankful for all this because if we are here and we are the habitant of this area, hilllands of like Kalimpong, your Gangtok, and all these areas, what I see, we must thank to the God because of we are here. We are here because of two things we present to the world. One is your innocency and culture, custom, and second one is your environment. So these things, if we retain, then that will be not a challenge for the coming days. But what we people can do, we must think of the equalization of the other areas to be equal with them. But we must proud of to be here and to be the habitant of this area, and we are having a good sustainability practices if we can retain it. So in that, these things, these are the various attributes. These are the attributes we have to retain. So what are the attributes? The simple safety, security, trust, feelings, and custom and culture. So if you retain these things, so first thing is safety, security of these areas. So gradually, if it is growing urbanization, then these things will collapse. Safety, security is a concern for all these areas because of these highland areas, and it is a concern for all these visitors and the foreign visitors and inland visitors. If they will first feel either this place is very trustworthy or safety with safety boundary or security boundary or not. If it is not, then if anything lapses, it is an integrated structure. If anything lapses, then entire structure will collapse, entire trust will collapse, and no sustainability we can achieve. So next one is, you see, next slide. In next slide, one thing is integration at destinations. So you think if it is a destination, we must integrate all this. Safety, security with trust. Because of maximum people's habitats and tribes, and we retain our custom and culture. So that is your pride, that is your value system. If we integrate all this, like if our kidney will be failure, then entire body will be dysfunction. So like this, in any aspect, if you do a business also, if you come to the socio-economic aspect also, social, economic, inter-value system is there. So it is a multiplication system. If anything will happen to zero, total value becomes zero. So next slide, it is same. Next one is the power of value. We have a power of value in these areas because we must have a pride, because we are here, because we have a confidence, culture, tradition, and we must have a different design of roads, your house styles, our products. We have to show to the entire world. And now the global in our hands, in our tips. In online, you can see all these products, you can show all these products to the entire world. So what is the problem? What are the challenges there? Everybody is speaking about sustainability, but where sustainability lapses? It lapses from their value system. So see, it is a total integrated system. If it will be in a diabetic process, so within 10 years it will be collapse. Your entire kidney will be failure, your heart will be failure. Like this, if any process will lapses, security or culture or custom or tradition, if anything will gradually diminishing, then we cannot achieve sustainability. Then it will be only we will talk in this forum, oh sustainability, everything, but there will be, we have to achieve only simple zero. So you see, with the economic values, it will add it. So we have that, we are enriched value system. We have the forestry, we have the hill station, we have the animals, we have the entire environment, polluted free environment, polluted free waters, and simplicity, honesty, everything is here. But what lapses? So one thing, when you sell it as a product to the other world, then it lapses. It is linked with economical. Social becomes economical when you sell to the products, all this in terms of product. Custom in terms of product. Your culture in terms of product. Students in the last weeks. So if you should come to the point. You are always busy with your mobiles. There will be no value with all this. You must listen for 5 minutes. Otherwise, the system will be under failure. So, see this. Next slide is. So, we must exchange our products and services to sell in the product as a product to the different ones in the different countries. So, abroad, foreign countries, they will prefer to these places to visit, and we can sell our everything. We can sell our roads, we can sell our house designs, we can sell our products, we can sell our custom, culture, tradition, everything we can sell. So people will come for this, not to see that the urbanization system. But when we will proceed towards urbanization, then the sustainability will be a question mark. That will be a processing challenge. So you see, safety into security, into trust, into feelings, into custom will be your total value. If anything becomes zero, then your value system of a tourist will be zero. Will not prefer to come here. Whatever it may be. A tourist will prefer these things. When anything will lapse, it will be a question mark on sustainability. So what breaks, we must retain this as far as the tribes are concerned. They are coming for all this. So this is a multiplication system. So to overcome these gaps of sustainability, what is sustainable? Sustainability becomes sustainability we can achieve with all this multiplication. Then if there is any variation, if stay, infrastructure, the living style, technology upgradation, then it will be a challenge for sustainability. So the next one is, so how we can enhance our value system? Our value means integrated value system. We have to send some involvement with this tourism if it will happen, then encourage the lifestyle and promoting the engagement with the tourists, either as the inland tourist or the foreign tourist, and drawing attention towards our culture, custom, and like this. So we request, if it is sustainable, then we have to retain and maintain a friendly environment with retaining our culture, tradition, and all this value system. So these are the various tourism facilitators that are products to sell in the market, in the world market, as a product. As a product, we sell in the market. So these are already discussed, everything is here. So there is a variation, there is a inflation, and there is a value transitions. So we must correlate all this. Next one is, so it must be with a consistent practice system to achieve this and strengthen the social value system. So gradually, what you see, the value system of the society is gradually declining. But this is the main focus of this. The government is promoting everything in the policy system and the local is promoting, but where is the gap? Where is the rate lapses? Why the foreign tourists are not coming? So there is a big challenge on the consistent practices to achieve that orientation. Then timing and transition and refinement of the delivery mechanism. The delivery mechanism, if it lapses, if the local people will not involve or show to the public in a fair practice, if it is not within the security breaches in that area, then